To educate an individual, you require three elements. The initial element is to communicate. The second is to show. And thirdly, it is to correct. Every manager is an instructor.
It is absolutely imperative that he must study. The most optimal management style is achieved when
You are similar to a teacher, similar to a coach.
to teach you, initially I have to explain the theory. You need to call like this, like this, like this, in this way.
Here, like this, provide an explanation for the theory.
In addition, I must inquire, did you understand the theory that was explained to you? You say yes.
But when I ask, understood or not understood, and a person says, yes, I know for sure that I did not understand from experience, you say yes.
I say, come on, tell me. You start to tell, it's clear you didn't understand. Okay, I'll tell you again. Patience is extremely important in management.
In order to be a woodpecker parrot,
Reiterate, pound, reiterate, and execute it patiently. Never make use of the phrase, I already informed you, I already expressed that. I reiterate once again in your communication or conversation. A scary phrase, it is.
it's obvious that being an entrepreneurial jerk is really tough for them. It requires a lot of patience and perseverance. Here,
Let's say, I inform you twice, thrice, I ensured theoretical understanding. But when you understand theoretically, this is only the beginning. If I teach you how to play tennis, I will explain the theoretical aspects of hitting the ball to you. There is a strike happening.
you understood like this, like this, like this. Yes, understood, repeated. This is the first part.
The second part of the training is showing you. You understood the theory, now I'm taking the racket.
As a master, I both strike and provide a demonstration to you.
How should this be done?
In sales, I engage in both purchasing and selling activities.
And the third part of the training after I explained and demonstrated is correction.
At this moment, I am offering you a racket. Your task is to hit the ball with it, while I will pause my actions.
You know, even the first and second, it doesn't.
You will not acquire the skills to do this.
Theory, even if you see like me, you won't learn. Learn after the third.
I will correct you on numerous occasions. Stop, move to the left, and then you will gain understanding.
Thus, M1 generally needs to possess a high level of knowledge about it. If M2, for example, can M2 not understand the sales themselves, but M1 usually should be able to sell in sales. But for example, if the manager is very inexperienced or lacks knowledge, it may hinder the overall sales performance of the team.
I could ask a highly experienced and insightful question, couldn't I?
To oversee salespeople without demonstrating the sales process to them.
Yes, I have the ability, but I choose not to.
Needed someone else who would show me.
Would have.
I'd solely manage operations.
With numbers, and would like to extend an invitation to a teacher and a coach to join.
Sales which would display them. In other words, either you display it yourself or someone has to invite someone.